Located in Santa Fe's Railyard district, SHoP architects designed the addition and renovation for the Site Santa Fe Contemporary Art Space. Completed in 2017, the former beer warehouse was becoming too small, so the architects added a new lobby, courtyard with roof terrace, auditorium, and additional service spaces. Angled openings identify the public entrances with a reflective perforated aluminum skin that contrasts with the black plaster facade and is illuminated at night. Nearby, you'll find breakfast at the Counterculture Cafe or try a cup of delicious tea at Opuntia Cafe. Stop by this gallery when you visit Santa Fe.